Unraveling, Cable Bill, a guide to understanding everyday English. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to decode a common phrase you might encounter in everyday life, cable bill. Understanding such phrases is key to mastering the practical side of English. Let's dive in and demystify this term together. A cable bill refers to a monthly statement that charges a customer for cable services. Cable services can include a variety of offerings such as television channels, internet access, and even phone services, depending on the provider. It's a common household expense in many English-speaking countries. The phrase, cable bill, is made up of two words, cable, which is the service provided, often implying TV or internet services, and bill, which is the invoice or statement of charges for these services. This bill is usually paid on a monthly basis. Let's see how to use cable bill in everyday conversation. For example, I need to pay the cable bill before the due date to avoid a late fee. Our cable bill has increased this month due to adding premium channels. Knowing terms like cable bill is important for managing daily life in an English-speaking country. It helps you understand contracts, manage finances, and interact with service providers. Being familiar with such phrases is also a reflection of cultural literacy. And that's a wrap on the cable bill. I hope this video has shed light on what a cable bill is and how to use the term correctly. Stay tuned for more practical English language tips. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to helping you continue your English learning journey.